and this one is cross. Use straight only. Fiber optical cable, if you want high amount of data to be transferred and you want immunity against electromagnetic interference, then use this fiber optical cable. It's not twisted pair or any kind of concept. It has glass inside of it, and it is very advanced cable. It will use light. So inside of the glass, the light will travel like this. Okay, it will get reflected inside, and this is how it will transfer the data, because the speed of light, 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meters per second, I think, maybe kilometer per second. Yes, so light travels very fast. All right, so these are very advanced. So delay is less, more data transfer can be done. So mainly used in the data centers for connecting the switches. These will have connectors as well. Okay, and the devices wherein you will connect will have modules. Like if you see your PC, there will be LAN module there. You connect the connector, plug in the connector. So one is cable, one is connector, one is a module inside the switch. Okay. So fiber optical cable will have a SFP module, which I'll talk about at later stage, not in this video. But just remember that these are of two main types: SMF, that is single mode, and then there is a multi-mode. Single mode is for transferring data at longer distance, and for shorter distance you can use multi-mode. Okay, so fiber optical cables are immune to any type of interference, and if it is cut due to any reason, then only a specialized person who has microscope and who is very highly trained can repair the fiber cable. All right, so this is a high chances that once it is out of order, it is gone. Use cases: backbone connections in enterprises, ISPs for connecting switches and routers over longer distance, high speed data transfer. Remote offices and telecommunication networks used by the ISPs for fast and long distance data transfer. All right, so single mode fiber and multi-mode fibers. Remember this thing. Now let's talk about the connectors being used in the fiber optics. So there are 4 type of connectors. Mainly we use LC or SC. This ST connector, it is not used these days. So LC is a small connector, half the size of the SC. So it is being used in modern days, in today's world. Easy to use, fits well in the tight spaces because this is a small in size. And like in cases where there are so many cables, then you can use this one quite effectively because it takes less space. Okay, and this SC, one thing more, in the LC connector, this is available in both single mode as well as multi-mode, right? So this SC connector, it is larger in size, double the size of LC, and this one has a push-pull design. Once you get hold of it, then you will understand it. It's commonly used in DCs and network devices for both single mode and multi-mode fiber. Same like this LC and SC. Okay, but LC is mainly used in the single mode. ST connector, it is a twist-on mechanism, not used. It is in the older installations. And this MTP MPO is mainly used in the data center where you want to connect multiple fibers together. Okay, high density connector that can handle the multiple fibers at once, mainly used in DCs to save space and handle large number of fiber connections. Okay, so each of these connectors are designed to connect the devices like switches, routers, servers, and for high speed secure data transfer to avoid delay, jitter, because these fiber optical cables are based on light. So what we used to do in our offices some 15 years back, we used to connect the fiber cables, and sometimes the connection, the light never used to lit up. So what we used to do, I used to unplug the cable, and I used to carry one this laser light. I used to put light or inject light on one end, and then the light should come out of the other end, right? So if the light is passing, it means that cable is through. All right. So that was a way. Otherwise, you can use your mobile torch to put light on one end, and the other person who's at the other end should see the light coming out of it like this. So this is a, you can try this thing. Homes we don't use it, right? Rats cut these fiber cables very frequently. Okay, just for your information.